Hi there, thanks for watching my video. Vietnam ranked 4th in the world in terms of rice consumption per capita and the 5th most rice producing country in the world. So being born and raised in Vietnam has taught me a few things about cooking rice, and today I'm showing you 2 easy ways to cook rice to perfection. Let's start with dosing 2 cups of rice that serve 3 to 4 people. I'm using a mix of jasmine rice and regular long grain. To me, that's a perfect combination for multi-purpose use. No matter what method, the first thing we have to do is rinsing the rice. This helps remove excess starch and debris that were produced during the milling process. Too much starch will make the rice too sticky and mushy. I typically rinse 3 times. We then fill the pot with 2 cups of water. Now, the first and most popular method in Vietnam and also in Asia is using a rice cooker. I'm using Tiger rice cooker. Its only purpose is for rice cooking. Pot in, close, and switch the knob to rice cook. Once the knob switch to keep warm, the rice can be served immediately, but I find giving it a 5 to 10 more minutes after the switching will be best, as the rice get a bit drier for better texture. When ready to serve, simply fluff the rice with chopsticks as us Vietnamese always do. Chopsticks efficiently fluff the rice without breaking them. Method 2. On stove top. We proceed similar to the rice cooker method, rinsing the rice first before adding 2 1/4 cups of water to cook. Yes, we add a little bit more water in this method. I think because the rice cooker cooks more efficiently. Bring the pot to a boil on high heat, then reduce heat to low. Give it a stir. Cover and let simmer for 10 minutes. To prevent sticking and burning in the bottom, we must use a non-stick pot. Now we flip, recover with the lid and leave it for at least 5 minutes up to 10 minutes and it will be ready to be served. Remember, always flip before serving. I hope you find the video helpful, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any great recipes. Thanks again for watching. You have a great day. Bye bye.